Mercury. Let's start with the terrestrial planets. The closest to the Sun is I. There is no atmosphere here. I contain hydrogen and helium, with a large iron core that makes up 75% of my planet. Now that's pretty big. I unfortunately have no moons though, but love to rotate very slowly, which makes my days super long to relax on my planet. While I go around the Sun fast, my surface has lots of craters, deep and thick hard crust. The temperature ranges a large amount, around 800 to negative 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Now that's why I like to officially call myself the morning star. Venus, the Roman goddess of love and beauty. In mythology, this is my name. With a mass that's 81% of the Earth, small but still the hottest one. A temperature of 850 degrees Fahrenheit, I rain sulfuric acid. Other features on my surface are so exciting. Numerous mountains, volcanoes, and sand. Although toxic, my atmosphere still contains carbon dioxide and nitrogen, the most abundant gases around. My dry floors have craters everywhere, but no moons to go around, and no ozone layer to stay cool. But fascinated I am at how hot and bright that I may be. Earth. Life as we know it survives on me. My planet is the mother of valleys, mountains, streams, all land and all sea, where life is abundant, the biggest of all terrestrial ones. I am an oasis of life, with a moon named Luna that lights up my planet. My atmosphere contains nitrogen, argon, and oxygen. We breathe the clean air, and humans thrive with this 45-degree Fahrenheit. Although oceans cover 70% of my planet, life flows everywhere, and I am the only planet that humans can live on. Well, that we all know of so far. Mars. In mythology, I am considered the Roman god of war and agriculture. Now that says a lot about my landscape. I have deep canyons in the highest mountains, compared to others in my solar system. I am the red planet, with red dirt and red rocks surrounding my surface. While my 2 moons are shining, I have the biggest volcano all around. You can find liquid water under my ground, and life may have survived here one day. It still could, but oxygen is non-existent for now. Land more spacecrafts on me to figure out if life could survive here one day in the future. Jupiter, the largest of all I am, named Zeus in Greek mythology. I have more gravity than most, and have a rocky core. The storms I create are extreme, never ending in my atmosphere, containing hydrogen, helium, and methane. I have no solid surface. My sky drifts into my oceans, which are liquid hydrogen and water. My hurricane winds show off how colorful I am. I am considered a gas giant, one of the best, with 61 moons in total, 4 being the largest, and 3 faint rings, as I spin really fast in the sky. Saturn. My rings are a reason for which I'm known. They are wide but amazingly thin, made of ice, dust, and rocks, but they are not solid at all. Holding up my rings are my 62 moons. The one most well known is Titan. I am lightweight and spin super fast, the least dense planet of them all. You wouldn't weigh that much on me. With an atmosphere of hydrogen, helium, and methane, I am the second largest in the solar system. My sky turns into liquid, then into ocean of chemicals. As a gas giant, I could be able to float on water. How cool would that be? Although I do have a rocky core, but oh well, I am still very light, that is. Uranus. I am extremely cold. People call me the ice giant. I'm okay with that, since I'm negative 300 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm different than all the rest, because I spin on my side, with a rocky core, in an atmosphere of hydrogen, helium, and methane. I am a gas giant, with 27 moons, and rings made up of dust and rocks. I could have diamonds all over my surface, and a huge ocean as well, That's surprisingly scorching hot, even though I am very, very cold. Neptune. I am the god of water and of the sea, with a really cold temperature of -370 degrees Fahrenheit. My atmosphere fills up with hydrogen, helium, and methane, similar to the other gas giants I am, but the smallest of them. I am magnificently blue, with thin white clouds on my surface. The clouds move fast, fitting the name, the scooter. While I have the strongest winds, with 6 rings in all, and 13 moons also. From what people can tell, I have giant storms too, that are great dark spots. They appear and disappear, leaving some mystery to me.